Alright, so I'm back. I should have just left it rolling because it took about a second and a half, but can't really see that, but resoldered that wire right there. Reconnect the header pin and test real quick just to make sure it worked. She's perfect. So, like I was saying, this is a great example of why this hilt is awesome, of why all this engineering is important. Because that repair just took about 45 seconds to a minute instead of, you know, an hour or two. Which it easily could have if it was a not well-designed hilt. So those of you who are investing into a saber, you know, this is a good one. It really is. Alright, all locked back in. Tighten it down so it can't twist. And let's get this clamp card back on. Okay. I'm going to reset it one more time so we can get back to the first blade. Right, so first blade is bright green for obvious reasons. This is obviously a smooth swing font. This is Sentinel with K-Sits, smooth swings added to it. Love this font. Next up is green, but with a real heavy, deep flash pulse to it. White flash on clash and blaster blocks. Also a smooth swing font. Next one is a green Jedi Fireblade. Next up we have a nice cyan with a light pulse to it. This is a heavy-duty blue with a Graflex sound font. I think it's Bespin. Yeah, it's definitely Bespin. Some blade lock up. Graflex Fireblade. And this is, I believe this is Frederick Professorn's Teensysaber font, which he made himself. Also a smooth swing. It's super unique though, I like it a lot. And this also has the drag function, which I haven't really even tested yet. But let's try that. This is a Sunburst blade. with a smooth swing Sith sound font. Now if you do a blade lockup but you hold the saber facing down, doesn't seem to work on this blade. But if you do that, then just the tip gives you a lockup, like you're dragging the saber along the ground. Maybe with the red blade it'll be more obvious. No, not working. I'm gonna have to go check the code and make sure I have it installed right. But this is Swarm with smooth swing swings added to it. This is definitely my favorite Vader sound font. Fireblade with smooth swings. Again, K-Sith's crossguard sound font. Really great job on this. Phenomenal Kylo style sound font. Is the Color Cyclotron blade in green. That's the Transform sound font. It works really well with it. Actually, I lied. This is the Transform sound font with the blue Color Cycle blade. Strobe blade. POV Star Wars logo blade. And then, last but not least, your battery indicator blade. Back to the beginning, to your bright green Return of the Jedi blade. And that, guys, is the Saber. Nothing crazy here, just a really solid build that is a pleasure to work with, a pleasure to play with, a pleasure to build. And CJ, I hope you really like it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you have any tweaks that you want to make, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and my next video coming up is going to be this puppy from 89 Sabers, Mace Windu. This guy's got some fun stuff going on in it though, so check this one out.